Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be going over how to import your products to AdLister. We can import our inventory into AdLister by either running the import job from AdLister's dashboard, which can import all of our live listings from our eBay store, or by uploading a CSV file which contains our inventory. When we subscribe to AdLister, the dashboard by default would prompt us to connect our eBay account, which would give us the opportunity to import our products. If we already had the eBay store connected, then we would have to go to the Actions widget on the dashboard and import from there. If the Actions widget is not visible, then we might have to add it by going to the Add Widgets section and search for the Actions widget from the widgets list, and we would simply add it to the dashboard. Once added, we will then see that there will be an option to import listings from eBay. Let's click on it. A page will open up with our import history, and on the bottom, we have the option of importing listings as well, and even product images. If we leave the box unticked, the images will stay hosted on eBay, and we won't use up AdLister image space. Our test AdLister store is currently running an import, thus the button to run the import is currently grayed out. The other option would be to import your products through a CSV file. We can do this by hovering over the Products tab, and in the drop-down we have Product Upload. By clicking here, we are taken to a new page where we will have to choose the CSV file that we would want to upload, and the options below can be left untouched. Also, on the right-hand side, we have some CSV example formats that can be downloaded and viewed to see how the layout should be set up when uploading a specific CSV. After we click on Continue, a new page will load with the products in a table, under which we will have the option to import new inventory, which we will have to select. Then, we would press the Test button to check if the file is in the correct format, and then we can press the Import Inventory button to import your products. Fairly simple. This video covers how to import your products to AdLister. And if you're interested in all the other features AdLister comes with, visit us following the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.